Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Unscrew the Phillips head screws on the passenger side of the cowling. Open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The cabin air filter is located under the passenger side cowling. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. There may be 3 additional torque screws securing the cowling. Remove the screws using a T30 Torx driver. Remove the cowling panel. Use a screwdriver to pop off one side securing fastener. Remove the frame. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1002 filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the cowling. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the weather strip. Reinstall the screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.